Care for me it's about empathy. It's about putting yourself or your loved ones in the position of our patients.
With every phone call, with every email, the patient experience is put first.
It's that legacy, the ability that we can all have a positive impact beyond just looking after ourselves.
You know, when you talk about Fisher Paykel, everyone thinks about washing machines.
When they see our brand in the hospitals, it just brings back how far we've come as a company.
It saved my grandson's life, so I'm sure will save some other people's life.
Care is essentially in everything we do. When you turn up to a meeting, it's on everyone's face. They care about the outcome of that. They are invested in the product design. They want to make sure that the product is the best it can be.
Being able to care really relies on being in touch with the people that you're working for. We're lucky enough to be able to go and see our product being used in the hospitals. So bringing the information from the outside world all the way back down to the very early concepts, that's what really makes a difference.
We do a lot of in-house prototyping. We come up with a cool idea on a bit of paper, and then turning that into something tangible that you can hold in your hands is really special. You meet parents, you meet nurses, you meet doctors, and it's just the best feeling in the world to see a product that you've designed helping someone.
When my grandson was born, he had a problem with his breathing. And the doctor came to me and he said to me, there's only one more option. And I saw it says Fisher Paykel Healthcare. That product is from the line that I work. That's why every single thing that I do, I have to do it right, because I know it's to save people's life.
We're like basically, you know, family around here. We send out our products and work to the best of our ability.
The end result for me is helping people live a better life.
I see it as a real privilege that I get to travel to hospitals around the world to understand positive things that we could build on, make clinicians' daily lives easier so they can focus on what's actually important.
We are a global organization, and to know that our patients here in California are getting the same care as patients across the world, to know that they're happy, they're safe, and home with their families, it's a great feeling.
Just this morning, I spoke to a customer, and at the end of the call, she said, thank you. To know that the product that we make is saving lives, that's very meaningful.
The difference is unbelievable. It's nice to see her not struggling. Baby.